Drop a small cube of butter into the hot pan. Now add the freshly chopped onions into the pan. Now gently saute the onions. Add the chopped tomatoes to the pan. Now add the chopped capsicum. Saute it well until everything blends perfectly. Now add the smashed boiled potatoes. Drop in a handful of green peas. Give it a good smash. Smash it properly until everything blends. Time to add the flavorful Pav Bhaji masala. Bring everything together with a good mix. Now add some red chili powder. Add a glass of water to the pan. Stir everything together. Add another glass of water to the pan. Cook it well until the bhaji is perfectly ready. Drop a small cube of butter into the hot pan. Allow the butter to melt in the pan. Now place the pav buns on the melted butter. Apply a little butter on top of the pav buns. Take the pav buns out and place them on a plate. Take the bhaji into a bowl. Bring the bhaji bowl and pav buns onto a serving plate. Garnish with some fresh keera and chopped onions. Add some fresh coriander over the bhaji. Add butter cubes over the pav bhaji. At last, squeeze fresh lemon juice on the bhaji. At last, your homemade pav bhaji is ready. And that's today's CraveMyst craving recipe. Enjoy!